In this video, I will show you how to create UTM links on Framework. For those who don't know what they are, UTM links are tracking links that allow you to add a parameter to the links of your advertising campaigns. For example, to know exactly where the website visitors came from and what kind of actions they performed on the site. For example, in this case, we can see that a UTM code called Christmas Campaign has been created with the code Christmas Campaign, and Framework360 will return a parameter that just needs to be added to the end of your website's URL. For example, a site might be called Hotel Rosetta. It. We will just need to add the UTM parameter Christmas Campaign and then take the entire link by copying it and adding it, for example, to our advertising emails. From there, we will know exactly all the actions that the customer has taken on the website, how can we see the clicks that have occurred on the UTM of generated purchases, and all the other tracking actions, as we saw in another tutorial, can be added directly to the web module tracking. How can we see any type of action that will then be associated with the Christmas Campaign tracking link? The same thing can be done, for example, for Facebook campaigns, Google, etc. You can create, for example, a UTM link, Facebook campaigns, and then as a UTM Facebook link. As we can see, Framework360 will return the parameter to add at the end of any URL that we want to use in our Facebook campaigns,